Anyway, you put your fingernails kind of on the edges of the opening and push down. If you leave this on top, when it hits the surface of the table, it's not going to fly up and you won't lose it. That's the best way I figured out to do it, and simply to get it back on, we have a snap ring tool. Again, these things are like fleas, so you have to be kind of careful with them. You see the opening right there?
Yep.
Kind of push that in, and always push it down the table to make sure it's secure in there. And when you put this on, you want to make sure you go straight up and down. If you put it in sideways, it's going to shoot off somewhere. And trust me, I've shot plenty of them before. You want to make sure you're in that little groove right there. Push down.